Welcome to Easy Ideas channel.
5 easy to start computer home-based business ideas. The computer and digital age are fully integrated into modern society, however, many people still lack the skills to achieve all their technical tasks. If you enjoy computers and are tech-savvy, a computer business is the ideal business for you. If you have the knowledge, skill and equipment necessary, you can start your computer service business fairly quickly and affordably. Here are 5 ideas you can start now. 1. Computer tutor, trainer business. Just because we live in a computer age doesn't mean everyone is computer savvy. That's where the computer tutor or trainer comes in. A home-based computer tutor teaches individuals and their businesses how to best use their computer programs and the internet. In many cases, they'll visit the client in their home or office, unless the client needs help with a laptop or tablet, in which case you can meet anywhere. Your clients can be diverse, from children to seniors, and everyone in between. You might be hired by businesses that need help learning specific programs or computer-related tasks, such as setting up a database or creating spreadsheets. You can even work with groups, training an entire office. Or you can run classes either through your home, if allowed by zoning, or through a local adult education resource such as the Senior Center. 2. Computer repair business. Computer repair specialists need to have a deep understanding of the mechanics and programming systems of computers in order to identify and fix problems. Individuals and small businesses that don't have a tech team on staff hire computer repair technicians to fix, clean or replace their hardware and software on time, on budget, with a smile. If you're working from home, you'll likely go to the client's home or office to work. You'll need to have tools required to diagnose system issues as well as to open a computer to fix or replace a hard drive or other internal device. Along with repair, you can offer computer and network setup, including security setup to help keep clients' computer virus and malware free. 3. Desktop publishing business. If your computer skills include creativity, as well as an understanding of page layout and graphics, desktop publishing is a viable home business idea to consider. While there are many DIY programs for desktop publishing, many businesses need customized creations. Among the many tasks desktop publishers perform are producing books, newsletters, magazines, brochures, internet content, and graphic design for logos and signage. Many online entrepreneurs need help in creating their products, such as planners, charts and more. You might even work for private individuals creating personalized gifts, that is photo calendar, announcements or invitations, and other items. 4. Internet marketing services business. Turn your digital marketing skills into a home business. MyATV, Getty Images. If you're a savvy internet user and understand marketing, especially internet marketing, there is a growing market for your help. Many businesses of all sizes, but especially small and single-owner businesses, need help with SEO, PPC, website promotion and social networking. An advantage in providing internet marketing services over other ideas, such as tutoring, is that you can work with clients all over the world. You're not restricted to servicing clients only in your local neighborhood. With that said, being able to meet clients at their business can be helpful, especially when starting out. 5. Web design and/or programming business. Similar to desktop publishing, many DIY tools are available to make building a website easier for non-tech type. Nevertheless, there is still opportunity for web designers and programmers, especially as the number of online businesses grows. Many online entrepreneurs can set up a basic site, but aren't able to customize it to their needs. Others need bells and whistles, such as e-commerce or membership management, that can be done faster and with less potential for glitches by an experienced designer or programmer. You can specialize in a specific platform, such as WordPress, or a programming language. However, the more variety of skills you can offer, the more marketable you'll be. An advantage to web design and programming is that you can work with clients locally or worldwide. Further, you can offer one-time services, such as website setup or maintenance packages in which the client pays you monthly to monitor, update, and manage the website. We really hope you find this article helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.